we're given a fully discrete 20-year deferred life annuity due to age 45. Premiums are paid at the beginning of each year during the deferral period. Annuity payments are $75,000 annually. We're given the expenses. We can use the standard ultimate life table with the interest rate of 5%. We want to calculate the gross premium for this policy using the equivalence principle. So the equivalence principle says the expected present value of future benefits plus expected present value of future expenses is equal to expected present value of future premiums. Okay, so for benefits, this is a 20-year deferred life annuity due. So it's issued at age 45, but the payments or the benefit is going to start at age 65. So our job here is to discount it back to age 45. So that would be 20E45. The benefit is $75,000. So that's the second bullet point here where it says annuity payments. So $75,000, and it's starting at age 65. Benefit is done. Next, we need the expected present value of future expenses. So there's two pieces for the expense types. There's a percent of premium and per policy. First, I'm going to look at per policy, and for that, I'm going to approach it this way. I'm always going to start at the right here. Okay, so that's going to be 150. So let's say it's going to be 150 throughout. So the expenses are going to be paid during the deferral period. Okay, so let's say at age 45 we have 150. Even though obviously that's not true. Okay, so if we have 150, that's going to be good in this region, starting at year 21 and up. Now, for years 2 through 20, it has to be 50 per policy. So we have to subtract 100. Okay, so we're going to subtract from 45, all the way to 65, 100. Okay, so that's taken care of. But if we do that, well, it's 150 minus 50. Oh, sorry, if it's 150 minus 100, we're left with 50. Well, we want 2,000 for the first year. So 2,000 minus 50, that's 1,950 we need. Because now if you add these up, you should get 2,000 for the first year. Okay, so what that's going to be is, well, we said it's 150 starting at age 45, but we want to subtract 100 for the first 20 years. Okay. And then for the first year, you want to add 1,950. So there's three pieces to this. Okay, so that's good. Now the per policy is completed. We want percent of premium. So you always look at the most right on this table. So obviously 0%. Okay, we don't need that. So we'll start with the 5% here. So that's going to be 5% of premium, and it's only going to be, well, it says years 2 through 20, but we're going to do it years 1 through 20. So that'd be age 45 going out for 20 years. And because that's starting at year 1, well, year 1 has to be 35%. But now we're including 5%, so there's another 30% that we need to include. So that is the percent of premium. Okay, so we have expected present value of future benefits, expected present value of future premium. Now we just need the expected present value, future expenses, not premium. Now we want the expected present value of future premium, and we said that the premium is payable at the beginning of each year during the deferral period. So that the premium is going to be for the first 20 years, starting at age 45. So now all that's left to do is to look up these values in the standard ultimate life table. Okay, so 20E45, that's 0.35994. Okay, multiply that by 75,000. And then A double dot 65 is 13.5498 plus. Now we have 150. A double dot 45 is 17.8162. And then minus 100. A double dot 45 angle 20 is 12.9391. And we're going to add 1950 to that. And then we're going to have 5%. So we have 0.05 G. A double dot 45 angle 20 is again 12.9391. We're going to add 30% of the premium. And we're going to set that equal to G times A double dot 45 angle 20, which is, let's see, 12.9391 G. And with some algebra, we get that G is 30,779.